You've probably seen those AI animal train videos all over your feed lately. And the crazy part is, these videos are going viral more and more every single day. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these cinematic AI animal videos from scratch, step by step, by using free AI tools. First, open ChatGPT and ask it to generate highly detailed image prompts for your scenes. Don't worry, you don't need to modify anything, and you don't need any prompt engineering skills. You simply paste the prompt into ChatGPT and enter your desired animal. Then enter the number of scenes you want and simply write your channel name as a branding text inside the placeholder. That's it. ChatGPT will do everything for you. All the exact prompts I'm using will be available in the description below, so you can copy and paste them directly. Once ChatGPT gives you the detailed image and video prompts, open Google Gemini and choose Create Image and make sure the Pro option is selected. Now paste the Scene 1 image prompt, and we want our videos to be in YouTube Shorts format. So add this at the end of every prompt, --AR916, and paste each prompt one by one. Then download every image in the highest resolution available. After your images are ready, move to Grok, Imagine AI, and use the image to video feature. Upload each image individually and paste the video prompt for that particular scene. This will turn your static images into realistic animated clips. And make sure to upscale the video before downloading it. And repeat this process for every scene until all images are converted into short motion clips. Once all clips are generated, download them and arrange them in sequence inside any video editor. Adjust the timing so transitions feel smooth and engaging, and export the final video in vertical 916 format, optimized for shorts. That's it. And again, all prompts used in this video are available in the description below, so you can recreate this exact viral style yourself. And don't forget to like and subscribe.